For my science experiment, I went on YouTube and I saw this video of acetone dissolving styrofoam. And I thought, what would be if it would have the same effects in clear plastic, colored paper, which is just Christmas wrap, and then a bit of a Cheerios cardboard box. So acetone is the main ingredient in nail polish remover. So it is the solvent dissolving the solute, which would be the nail polish on your nails. So right now I'm going to get my gloves on and pour some of the acetone in and show you what it does to styrofoam. So I'm not going to pour that much in because you don't want it to overflow it, but I'll put some in. That's enough. Not that much, but it's still good. See, just watch the pink styrofoam and it will dissolve into what, see? It just sizzles away and yeah, it's gone, just little shades in. Now I'm going to see if the green styrofoam will have the same effect. And does the exact same thing as the pink, dissolves the same way. Now I'm just going to take a regular piece of white styrofoam, which is just styrofoam that you'd use. It's the exact same thing, even though it's different color. And see, it used to be that, now it's that, and it's dissolving on my finger because I have some acetone on it. So it basically goes to nothing. Okay, now I'm going to take my clear plastic and I'm going to fold it up so I want to make sure that it will definitely fit in. And I'll put some in. So as I put it in, I feel that it wants to stay to the ground, which is pretty interesting. And it just wants to stay where it is, like it's kind of harder to move it across like I am. So as I reach it up, it does, see, some of it is turning white. And my prediction before I started was that this would do basically nothing. It would take like a couple minutes, but it's actually turning kind of whitish, which is kind of cool, as you can see right there. So now I'm going to take my Christmas wrap, which I think will do absolutely nothing, and nothing will happen to it, but I might be wrong. So exact same thing as clear plastic, it just wants to stay to the bottom, doesn't want to move. But I like to move it around just to make sure it gets all the way soaked, and it definitely has enough acetone on it. So I'm just going to dump it all in, and I'm going to take it out, and so exactly like nail polish, it just dissolves it, and it's becoming into just a regular white piece of paper. See, it used to be a tree, none. Now it's just white. So that's what it does to colored paper, which actually really surprises me. And now I'm just going to take Cheerio box, just part of the Cheerio box cardboard. So as I put it in, it actually starts to sizzle, which is really cool. Now it's not as resistant. It will move around. And so that's what I'm going to see. And it actually doesn't do the same as the paper. It just stays like that. Put it on the other side, as you can see, bubbles coming out. And I thought this would actually do the exact same thing as what the styrofoam did. So, as you can see, I'll put it all in. So just fold it in half to make sure it all fits. So, as the regular cardboard, it just looks like water. But, yeah, it just looks like I put water on it. It doesn't look like acetone. But on this side, it does the same thing. But in the acetone, it's really cool because it just starts to sizzle, which I thought is really interesting and cool. So now I'm going to show a cool trick that you can do with acetone to right here on my 3 container thing. So I just put I cover my finger with this.